Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and my first field placement slash most recent job was I actually worked with a Center for Independence, where I was working primarily with people with disabilities, both physical and mental, and kind of helping them. It was basically like a lot of case management, helping them applying for things, understanding, their benefits, what's available to them, what kind of resources are available to them, different stuff like that. So I did work with some families in that capacity. Um, yeah, it was not too uncommon where like a younger adult, maybe in their 20s or 30s, who had some type of disability, their parent was still heavily involved in their life, and would participate in meetings. So, I would help kind of facilitate the parents' wishes as well as the child's wishes at times. Generally, those were kind of running concurrently, parallelly, if you will. But there were definitely times where there was some level of disagreement, and it would kind of help. Basically, what I would try to do is help to establish a plan that would make everybody happy, more or less, without doing anything like too clinical or really getting into too many like interventions there. Um, as with regard to the family system I grew up in, it was like the most nuclear like American family. I had a mom and a dad and a younger sister, and we had pets. Uh, Definitely there was like a extended family presence as well that I certainly value and enjoy spending time with my extended family. So that's been pretty cool. Or that was a pretty cool thing to kind of grow up in. Um, with regard to like a role I played in my family, I definitely played the role of like a difficult teenager, maybe. I would just, I really wanted to do things the way I wanted to do things and kind of wanted to pushed for independence, maybe at times when I didn't necessarily need to. But I think that also kind of helps me to understand kids going through similar situations and kind of wanting to get that level of independence even if it's not what you're actually ready for at the time, but something like that. um, with regards to family work, I don't really have any super burning questions. It's more just kind of figuring out um, what I do well working with families. I place a pretty big value on like the family systems theory and how the systems and everything interact and how that can be positive and negative. So just kind of I guess seeing more of how it can be applied in the field as opposed to just being applied in theory. Thanks for watching.